Like, is he rich?
Yeah. He rented a van and filled the van slap up with fireworks.
I wonder if they'll do a smiley face, Dad.
Huh?
I wonder if they'll do a smiley face.
I don't know.
Probably.
Those are cool when they do.
It is.
Wow. The company that does these is making a ton of money.
Wow.
No, I mean, like, company that makes the fireworks.
Make them all in China. Every one of them. You ever seen one that's a smiley face?
I've seen a couple that are like Ford. Like, I've seen a Ford. They smell fish in Florida.
Oh, they did that the other
We
day.
can hear this all the way in our. No, nothing's bad.
Things going up.
Way up.
Like if you can just watch it. That's going.
That's what you get out of China. What?
That's
This
Saturn.
looks like
That's Saturn.
Yeah, I know.
no from like outer space.
I don't know if you can see it from outer space. It doesn't have enough light.
That's Saturn again. But those things are like. Star, here comes the big one.
I love those that do that.
Huh?
I love those that do that. I'd love to be on the committee that likes these things. Should be fun.
Wait, are you taking a video of it?
Yeah.
They don't sit there with a lighter on.
What do they do?
They have a machine that does it, don't they?
No, they set them up in a sequence. Push the thing that sends the current through the wire.
Burn if it lands on it.
Nah, they sit up there and light them.
Probably have it chemical.
Yeah, they do.
When you go to Tanglewood,
Don't ruin it for me, Dad.
you can feel the asphalt.
I didn't even see the other one.
Oh yeah, have you ever been where like the top sticks down?
Cool out here.